So all you're gonna need is some baking soda, some vinegar, and a measuring cup. First, what I'm going to do is, as you can see down here at the bottom of my dishwasher, she's looking pretty gnarly. I'm going to just grab whatever has fallen. As you can see, I have a ton of food debris down here, so I'm going to scrape all that out, and then I'll come back with you guys and show you what I'm going to do next. If your dishwasher looks like this too, just go ahead and get as much of the food chunks and whatever has fallen down here out. I unlocked my filter here, and I'm just going to rinse this out in the sink to get the food particles and stuff out of here. As you can see, it's looking pretty gnarly down there. That might be why my dishwasher isn't working too hot right now. So I'm going to rinse all this out and just lock it back into place. All I did was just rinse this out in the sink, and as you can see, you can actually see through the filter now. So my dishwasher should work a lot better after this cleaning. I'm just going to put that right back in. I'm going to pour about 1 cup of vinegar in my measuring cup here. I'm going to set this cup on the top rack of my dishwasher and turn it on the hottest setting and the longest setting. Right in the top rack of my dishwasher. So my dishwasher just finished its cycle. I'm going to take out this measuring cup, and this is just water. It's not going to be vinegar anymore, so you can just go ahead and dump this out in your sink. Now I'm going to take some of this baking soda and just sprinkle it everywhere in the dishwasher, and what this is going to do is just remove any stains and any odor that might be floating around in your dishwasher. And just like that, we have a brand new looking dishwasher.